What's up, family? We're back, getting ready to jump into another live session. Let's get at it. Okay. All right, so we took a look at US 30. We ended up getting clipped on the sale that we took. We got a lesson. Price ended up going a little higher than we expected. So earlier this week, I looked at this area right here of consolidation as a potential area of resistance. We took buys from the low. Looks like we exited a little too soon. Price continued to move up and left this gap here. So I just waited on this gap to be filled. We entered in at the low, and now we're up on this trade setup. Hold on a second. Now, on the 4 hour, I saw a zone at the highs that I'm going to play. Right here. Get rid of these old trades. We caught a lot of sales on the way down. Yeah, right here. This is a bear flag. So I wanted to trade back towards this area, seeing if price will capture all of the stop losses that's right here above these highs to retest this zone. From there, we'll see what happens. I was actually looking for a sell there. Right here, that's actually a macro level of structure right there. We got a lot of rejections. So if we can break back above this high here, there's a great chance this move could play out for us. And it'll give us a 1 to 11 on our buy. So we caught two wins on the buy. Got stopped out on the sell in this area and just got back in. So this is really why we love to stress risk, reward, and discipline. If you leverage too much, you'll blow your account before you actually get a chance to be a part of the win. So you always need a system in place to protect you from yourself. Alright. This has been played. Let's get rid of it. This has been played. We'll get rid of it. But did I pressure? I think we got in around 7. We're already up. A little over 900. Let's set a double top right here. Alright, so we got a double top right here on the 15-minute. But the thing with this is, we got a lot of rejections right here already. So there's a great chance we can see a break above that area. The continuation of this trend. Let me take a look at gold. Oh damn, I left the music up. Hold on a second. Hope that's a little clearer. Man, this gold trade dropped like crazy. Okay. Josh, what up? Oh, you like my music, B? Yeah, I was in here chilling. Hey. All right. So with this gold thing, we actually called this sale from the highs. TP1 was hit. So that's a win on gold. Win! Win, 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 win! Yeah, let let the smoke out, let the smoke out, let the smoke out for gold. What time frame was that? I believe it was an hour time frame. Yes, we got a double top at the highs on an hour time frame. Now, unlike that double top we just saw on US 30, this one may work out for us. Now, let me show you the difference. Oh, shit. Hold on a second. I was trying to be all cool there, and YouTube snitched on me, letting y'all know that it's my DJ. Okay. So with reversal patterns, let me show you this real quick. I know we're in a live session, but I'll give you this. Reversal patterns are patterns that normally look like this: a M. This is a head and shoulders pattern. This is a double top. Their counterparts are the double bottom and the inverse head and shoulders. Now, when you see these in the market, they're relative. What I mean by that is, this one that we find here, it is by itself. So this one is more likely to play out versus the one we saw on US 30 on the 15-minute, and I'll show you why. Now, with this 15-minute double top right here, you see? It already played this structural level of resistance and it rejected. So the chances of it responding again are really low. Now, the example with gold, that double top stands alone on the 1 hour. So this one is more likely to play out. So when you're looking at reversal patterns, trying to catch reversals or reversals in the market, counter trends, make sure that that's one of the things that you keep in mind. Let me give you another example. Let's say price made a move, came back to retest it, and gave you a double top that played out. Huge chance the next time this thing comes back, it's going to break beneath that area and continue moving. So what we want to see is actually the market form support right here to see if we can get a retest of that double top. Now, to make trading easy for you guys, anytime you see price trading sideways, trap price, which is exactly what I'm doing with these rectangle tools. Dang, that other beat was nice. What was that? I think it was this one. Oh, that had to be it. You need that playlist? I had to go back to this. I was like, hold on a second. All right, so these arrows that I'm deleting over here on this end is something that I use to give me a visual representation of where the money is in the market. And I told you guys, you identify where the money is by finding consolidation. It's always going to be below it and above it. Now, the market failed to capture the money in all of these areas. Right here. And it dipped below to capture the money here. Wow, look at that retest right there. All right, so let me go ahead and didn't know that's what we responded to. So I'm getting rid of this stuff over here that's been played already. What's going on? How you doing over there on YouTube? Now this is the reason I looked for this setup. I noticed that my RSI right here started to create lower highs and lower lows. On the other hand, we had price doing the exact opposite. When you see this forming in the market, this is called bearish divergence. So the only thing that I did was I started a trend line at the exact area that the RSI and price started to differentiate. From there, I just waited on that trend line to get tested again for the third time at the highs, and that's when we look for that move. Matthew, what up? So we use really simple concepts to get in the right position for this sale. But noticing it and being able to execute it, completely different things. That's why, again, every live video you see, I am going to stress the importance of our mindset series, structure breaking. This is the key right here. Oh, thank you, Cesar. I do my best. My goal is to keep it as simple as possible so we all can get it. We got a lot of unnecessarily complex terms and strategies that create difficulty. So we want to get rid of all of that. All right, cool. There's a chance we could see a retest of this area right here. Yeah, I'm not hating on them, Cesar, but I will say the smarter they sound, the more people would validate them without actually seeing results. Because I've definitely traded with some really technical guys that didn't know what the fuck they were doing. But they had all the terms, all the jargon. I was like, okay, confusion don't equal mastery. You sound right. All right. So let's see. I'm going to set an alert right here on gold. If it breaks beneath, I'm going to look at a potential entry right here. Right, it sounds cool, but what that mean? A whole lot of nothing. Ty, what up? So as far as this sell on gold, if we get a break beneath this area, it's valid. But if price pulls back to retest that area, but does not break beneath, then we are still looking bullish. I'm doing well, Ty. Over here just taking a look at a couple trade setups. We got this US 30 buy-in, and I didn't take anything else. We're doing a lot of building this week, man. I've been getting active. We published like 4 books. Let's see what's going on in the news really quick. Hey, that's good, man. If you need some extra help, we got a free tool for you. Show you how to set up your demo account, your live account. We'll walk you through placing your trades, monitoring your trades, and give you a complete trading plan. That way, if you like, you can hop on and trade with us for free. That website, Ty, to get access to it is ProfitTakersEU.com, and make sure you get that Trading Essential bundle. Let me drop the link in the TikTok feed for you. All right. Just go to Start for Free and get you taken care of. All right, so we had Pound News. Appreciate the follow, Ty. Pound News. Oh, we didn't get any of our alerts triggered. Let's see. What happened? Okay. I'll tell you what. We got 6 minutes left in this candle close. 3 hour time frame. Let's see. Let's see. So right now, the way this thing is looking on the 30-minute time frame, know what was that? Right here. If this candle closes like this in the next 6 minutes, I am actually going to take this sell. That comes with time, Ty. I wouldn't say that that's a struggle. It's just part of the process. I want you guys to start looking at it like a language, because that's what it is. You didn't pop out the womb speaking full sentences. You had to understand the alphabet, use them to construct sentences, to develop paragraphs. It's the same thing, okay? So a really easy place to start for you is understanding the candlesticks. Understand the language, understand the candlesticks. And another thing that I tell everybody to do, take your drawing tool and actually draw price fluctuating. So when you look at the candlesticks, you'll be able to see the code, the line chart. Damn, I've been training for this for a while. But yeah, being able to see this from here will give you a complete picture overall. You need to use both. Yeah, so with the candlesticks outside of those things, the open, the close, the high and the low, what you need to familiarize yourself with are the candlestick patterns. So for instance, this thing here resembles a shooting star. A close beneath it lets you know you got a potential sale, and that's what actually played out. There's an app called Japanese Candlestick Patterns, JCP. It'll walk you through all of those things and I'll actually tell you the functions of them, of how to trade them. All right, we got 3 minutes left. What I'm gonna do is just set an alert, man. I got a thing where I just hate looking at trades. Oh shit! What is this? We're gonna have to play that one a couple times. Oh, you said it correctly. Which pair am I trading? Right now, this is Euro Pound. Look at you. You're full-blown trader now. All right, 3 minutes left. Let me go to another one of these pound pairs. Oh, man. I figured this would be that week. So at least 1 or 2 weeks out of the month, you're gonna have everything trading sideways. That's really why we didn't get on and do a lot this week, because I really don't care to move around in consolidation. Me, myself, I like to catch these impulsive moves like this. That's why That was a mistake. Go back. That's why I like to enter in at the highs, because when this happens, if you're looking to enter in your trades right here, this is what most people take themselves. Oh shit, let me be careful for TikTok ban me again. This is the area where most people get in trouble, where you lose a lot of trades trying to fight to be a part. Okay, so when most people see this impulsive move, they're ready to jump into trades, but this is what's happening down here. A lot of fluctuation, and what most people do is they enter in the middle of range for these trade setups, giving themselves terrible risk reward on both sides, and it's just a massacre, man. So me personally, I completely stay away from stuff like this. I just, again, trap price. Let's get this up here properly, and we put alerts below and above range. No need to fight for this, for something like this. Trades are friends, not food. You play around, you're gonna be the food. It's also why we don't like taking a lot of trades, man. You mess around and forget your overall direction and create unnecessary trouble for yourself. So this week really may continue to consolidate, because in most cases, I'll show you guys on Tuesdays and Thursdays, that's where you'll get these impulsive moves. Okay, so this move started on Tuesday. Give me another one. Here you go. This move started on Thursday. Okay, so you get to Tuesday and Thursday and you're still consolidating. And in most cases, it's going to play out like that until the following week on Tuesday. Oh, my bad, Queen. I ain't see you over here. I said that was euro pound. So now we're just going through the pound pairs to take a look at what's going on structurally. And I know you're new. So what I mean by structurally is to identify what phase of the market we're in. If we're in an uptrend, if we're in consolidation, or if the market is in a downtrend. Okay. So once I figure out what's going on structurally with these pairs, we just figure out our bias and set alerts. Right now, we don't know what's going on with this thing. It looks bearish, but I want to see what happens with this major move. I'm okay with sacrificing this to catch this. Euro pound is EUR GBP. So all pound pairs will have GBP. Let me set an alert right here too. Got a double top right there that got retested. I don't trust it. How many minutes left on that candle? Shit, I do not know. 36. It just closed. All right, it just closed. So I'm actually going to set a limit order right here. Now, the reason I'm doing a limit order instead of the market execution order is to maximize my risk reward ratio. Our thing is minimizing your risk to maximize your gains. And the best way to do that is taking these limit orders. Oh, it just got hit. So this is Euro, pound, EUR. No, it just got hit. So now you're gonna have to market execution that thing. Gonna have to market execution that thing. Now it's moving too. Yep, Euro, pound. So that's 1 to 4. So if you're entering right now, you're still good. Euro, pound. The stop loss that I have in my terminal, because it's a little different from TradingView, is 0.85566. Cesar, appreciate that. We was gonna miss the whole damn trade. Big win for Cesar. Win! Yeah. All right, so we're in profit on Euro, pound, and profit on US 30. I'm looking at this low on Euro, pound. But again, we got a lot of rejections down there. So what I'm actually gonna do is move my stop loss as price moves. So when you start your trade, of course your stop losses are further away than your entry. But as your trade moves, if we break this low, I'm moving my stop loss to what people call break even. This is to protect you so you don't lose winning trades. That's something I used to do a lot. Go up $1,000 and take 15. Mad as hell. So I didn't create the mindset series for y'all. I created it for me. I was over here making mistakes, giving all of my stuff back. And I want y'all to learn from my mistakes. Don't do the same thing. For you, Brittany, yeah, go ahead. Jump in the live trading room channel. Also, let me put the link to the Discord and TikTok for everybody. Duty, what up? Adam back in the building. What is this thing called? Yeah. Appreciate that, Brittany. Britain. Hold on a second. Let me get that Discord link for you guys. I normally have it set up. I'm slipping today. All right. Oh no, I make mistakes often. So with trading, it's not about not making mistakes. It's about really mitigating your risk, because they're gonna happen. You're gonna lose trades. You just need to make sure after you lose a trade, you still got a damn account to go to. Oh, you just entered the trade with me, Adam? Let's go. Big wins. Win! Yeah. Brittany, I don't see you over there. I read that right. Okay. All right. All right, y'all, hold on. Give me a second, man. This damn hoodie is hot as shit. I gotta go take this off. I will be right back. Y'all give me about a minute. Hell no. I'll get to no sweat. Yeah, I was laughing because they way better when I ain't high. Adam said he in the trade. All right, we back. Appreciate y'all patience. Woo. All right. I'm going to let this trade run. That's another thing I do when I enter trades. I don't watch them. Reason being, in the beginning, me not completely understanding that the market moves like this, pulling back up to go down further, I would exit my positions way too soon, and it created a lot of anxiety for me. So this was a method that actually helped. Just set alerts. Once price reaches those levels, do whatever you need to do to protect your position and just go from there. I put an alert at the stop loss, and I put an alert at the level that I desire to be hit before moving to break even. And that's always the previous pivot point. Right now we're looking for sales, so we're looking at the pivot low before we take our position. Now on US 30, we're in a buy, so we're looking for the break of this pivot high before we move to break even. You know what? I did make that damn shirt. I'm gonna have to buy it myself. Let them run. Cause that's where we mess up, man. Get in these positions, you get a quick pullback and you jump out of it because of number one, you're rushing, and then that risk reward. So to give you an example, let's say you enter right here. Most people, when they see red, they out. They freak the fuck out. Close the trade set up, it continues moving up. And what you're doing is placing trades all along the way, but your stop loss is not in a proper area. I don't see you in there, B. Yeah, I'm live in the... Oh, my screen is not on. But I don't see you in the live trading room. I'm in the tier 2 room right now. I just went to the live trading room. Okay.
Okay,
I
can
see
you
you.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Uh-oh. As soon as I said I can hear you, I went to the wrong room. Give me a second. Give me a second. All right, cool. Say it again for me. Matter of fact, you over here competing with the YouTube volume. Say it again. Your audio breaking up, Brittany. Let's check out another euro pair. I'm sorry, pound pair. I hear me on your mic, but I don't hear you.
I wasn't talking. Can you hear me
Oh,
now?
yeah, I can.
Okay. Yeah, I'm like switching between 2 and 3 different screens.
Like a boss.
This boss about to pass out.
Ah,
I'm
I'm gonna
so
have to
sorry.
take a picture of my setup and let y'all see it.
Yes, pretty please. But I still don't see a live on here because I was wanting to shut down TikTok for a second.
You don't see me live up there? Oh, okay. I went to a
Only on my
different.
TikTok page, but on
Gotcha.
Discord, no.
It's live now.
There you go. Now we talking. My lord. Okay. Welcome.
Welcome. All right,
Welcome.
let's see.
Okay.
Pound CAD. Oh, that was actually pretty cool. When did that happen? 9 o'clock? Okay, we missed that. So another thing that I always tell you guys, consolidation is the beginning or the ending of every trend. This thing was making a downtrend. We got this consolidation right here. I also tell you guys, after consolidation is broken, we enter in on a retest so we can take it in whichever direction it broke towards. So I know I'm talking fast, but give me a second. I'm actually going to show you. So this was the area of consolidation. Okay. This area is where price broke above. This pullback right here, that's the retest, and this would have been your entry. Now right here, we had a double top that was retested and played. That's also right next to a bunch of highs. So there's a huge chance this thing could break above this level right here, capture all that money. Where's it going? Where is it going? Oh, you gotta be shitting me. We missed this setup altogether. So we called this at the beginning of the week and said we were looking for buys when it broke above. And we didn't take none of them. It's all good. That just lets you know we know a little something. Damn, look at that. It'd have been right up under TP1 too. It's cool. I had fun publishing these books. It's way more important. Brittany, what confused you over there?
Nothing was confusing me. I was just trying to, I'll be honest. It's all technical. Whatever my
Mm-hmm.
issue is, I just have to make sure I have everything laid out so I can, put in my trades or at least follow along with you. And then, but it's nothing with what you're going over or anything like that. I'm actually following along okay. But I'm just
That's
waiting
good.
on you to find the proper trade under whichever pair so I can jump in with you because, like I said, I'm actually not at home right now. So.
Right. Okay. Well, that's dedication. That's dedication. So we missed our entry on a 1 to 15 trade setup, which is crazy. Just a TP1, that's a 1 to 5. The safest thing to do is to wait until we get a break above right here. With the way things are going, it looks like this is a strong possibility. So let's just place this alert here. Oh, look at that. 1 hour. I'm actually gonna. Oh shit! It got played. Never mind. So I told you guys this in our last session. This move right here. I'm gonna get this to you again. This is one of my special areas right here. It's just a flag pattern, but this pullback. I'm sorry. This move. Price will normally pull back to retest it and then go in the opposite direction. Let me zoom in so you can actually see it. Now, only take them if they show up at the top of range, at the bottom of range, or at a structural level like this. Like this. Well, matter of fact, let me give you a better
Sorry,
example.
I thought I had you on mute.
Oh, it's all good. So like this. So let's say price came down here and gave you that move. Let's put it underneath. This is golden. Most cases it's gonna pull back to retest it and drop. Matter of fact, that's exactly what we just used to get into Euro Pound. Okay, but you need to see them occur at a structural level, whether it's support or resistance. When they happen in the middle of price, leave them things alone. It is a trap. Let's go. Nice profit on euro pound. Okay, so we're not gonna get that pullback. 15-minute shooting star price did not close underneath. Got one right here on the 15-minute. Let's see what those EMAs are. All right, the intraday EMA is right there, so that could be a valid area of support for these smaller time frames. So let's see. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is place a limit order. Exactly. Exactly, Cezanne. You see consolidation, it's time to camp out and just wait.
Are we still under euro pound?
Now we're on pound CAD.
Okay, got you. I'm with you. Wait,
So,
this pound CAD is a few of them. Okay, I got it.
oh, that's still a crazy setup right there. So let's put this limit order in right now. Where's the terminal? Pound CAD. 15-minute.
Oh, that's right. Forgot I had it. Here you go.
All right, so we got a pending buy on pound CAD.
When I'm done with this, we can go because I can do the rest of this at home. Probably like about 15 more minutes. Not long. But I'll call you. Okay.
Get these TPs. What is that? 1.89971. Okay, so this is a potential entry. It may not happen, okay? Now we already know what we're going to do to take advantage of it if it continues to move up. We're going to wait for that break above, and we're going to take the retest there. But just in case that 15-minute level is tested again, we'll have that entry set up. So that entry price for that pending buy on pound CAD is 1.84513.
And we have it set on market and sell, correct?
It's set on pending buy.
So let me fix that up. Hold on, pending. Wait. Okay, pending buy. And if you can repeat that 1.85.
Okay. 1.84513.
Got it. Okay. And did you call out the take profit or no?
The TP is, all of the TPs on the chart right here. We see TP1, TP2, TP3. So make sure you risk 1% for each position. Use the same stop loss the same entry price, but put in a different TP for each position. So right now, let me actually take a picture of this for you and drop it in the Discord. Where are you? Um, all right, so it looked like it actually created that double top. I really love it when I say shit and it start happening. Let's see if it hits that level and holds.
Hold on, let me go in the chat to find
Put in the
it.
third. Put in the third TP is 1.89971, and I just sent you the other ones. Kiwi, what up? Okay. Order is set. What time we got? We got 5 minutes. Yeah.
Wait, okay, so I'm looking at what you sent. I'm learning how to read this. I
Mm-hmm.
see the TP3 in purple, and I see it in green.
Only look at the lines, the purple lines on the right hand side.
Okay, so
I'm glad you said that.
1.899.
Yep, that's TP3. That's the one I just gave you. And TP2 and TP1.
Wait, 1.84513. Hey, that's the stop loss. Oh, okay.
Yeah, one cool thing about the broker that we got, after you place one trade setup and you open up the next, it's automatically going to have your pending entry price and the stop loss. The only thing that you should have to do on your end is change the take profit.
I think that's where I need to catch up because I haven't placed the first one yet. So
Okay.
So you place one, buy, place the second one, buy, and then so on with the third one.
Exactly. Just make sure that at the bottom you see 1% for each position.
Got you. Okay, so I'm trying to catch up because I'm still on the stop loss 1.84513. I just didn't know which TP goes with this one. That's what I couldn't find.
So since you're entering in 3 different positions, it doesn't matter the order that you put the TPs in, as long as you got all of them in.
So the stop loss remains the same or no?
Exactly. The stop loss remains the same. Nothing changes with that.
Hurry up.
Right, because this thing look like it's about to activate.
I know. Okay.
Hey, I know.
Okay, so 1.85765. That's the TP for one. Okay, so I got that one. Let me expand this, make sure my good glass is working okay. 5,
Oh,
7,
our stop loss is actually underneath this low, so it's still a 1 to 17, not 1 to 28.
Okay. And then I think I forgot to copy so I could paste the stop loss. Can you call that out?
Oh no, you don't have to. You don't have to copy the stop loss to paste it.
It's still there. Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna pop up automatically.
You know what? You alright with me, man.
Come on now.
Let's see. 1 point.
We make this shit easy.
You know what? I don't know what you said, but don't do that. Super funny. 8, 7, 4. Alright. Because I got get mama home. All right.
Yeah, it's fine. We're about to shut down after this. Yitzy, what up? I hope I didn't fuck your name up. I hate tearing up people's name.
Oh crap! Let me see some. I forgot. I'm sorry. This is a personal note to self because I did reload my account, but I don't think it's ready yet.
It's strictly financial. How you doing? What's your demo account?
Yeah. No, actually, my live account.
Use the demo account, woman. She said, I'm trying to get these buckets. Fuck that demo.
Okay, like what demo
uh,
account?
just do what I told you to do. Get this practice in.
I listen, but that right
Cause next
there,
week,
that right there was
that's where it's
definitely
gonna be
interesting.
fun. Hmm.
I know. No, I just learned a lot. Okay, because that was really my first time putting them
What up,
in
One Quiz?
successfully. I think I was still kind of dealing with it the other day, but okay.
That's why it's important to get that practice in.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Let me see.
Say something. You got those trades in?
Hmm.
Got it. All right, what's gonna happen right here, man? Let's see. I would love to see this thing pull back towards this double top first. But if it doesn't, it is okay. I hope y'all got this trade set up in because I can't stick around and watch it with y'all. We are about to
Yes,
go.
you can.
Uh-uh.
I'm switching to the demo so I can put it in.
Okay. That's against my trading religion. We trade for an hour to prevent over trading. And we disappear. Whatever we didn't catch, it wasn't for us.
Pound CAD. Let me go on and put this in here. You are right, and we are right at an hour. That was kind of awesome.
Yeah, that's it. Tell everybody I didn't quit. I didn't quit my job working 12, 13 hours a day to do the same
No, 'cause I'm about to
shit.
quit tomorrow.
Hey, we also got a shirt that say "fuck a job, create," which is one of my favorite. Fuck a job, create. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Thank you, Cezanne. A toilet. You know what? We got too much stuff for me to not have all the merch. So busy creating, I ain't do no purchasing. It would be cool sitting up here sipping out that cup.
Okay. My last time asking you, and I'm gonna let you go and be great, but call out the stop loss number.
The stop loss? What is the stop loss for what? The limit order?
Yes.
The limit order stop?
Yes.
The limit order stop. 1.84183.
Got it. Okay.
Right, sipping out of the fuck a job create cup in the interview. He probably ain't gonna hire your ass.
Especially in this market.
Right. They're like, you know what, ma'am? Looks like you should create. Get your ass up out of here. No way. Did we set that alert on US 30? We did. So from a couple pips, we're still over 800 right now.
OMG. 1.84. No, it did not keep my stop loss saved for the next one, for the next trade.
When you do it and go right back in it, that's normally how it is.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just. Don't
Once you
hate
get
me
that,
after today, but just call it one more time. 1.8.
that won't make me hate you. I actually value when you guys take the time to ask questions. I've been doing this for a long time. I've seen a lot of grown ass people paying thousands of dollars for these courses. I'm in there helping them, and they won't ask no damn questions. I think that's the stupidest shit in the world. Mm, it's
Yeah.
1.84183.
You know what? I think that was the correct one, and I thought it was something different. Okay, I promise I'm gonna get some sleep. I am. It's
It
gonna
ain't the
happen later
sleep,
in the
it's the
day.
practice. That's why we not letting you in that live account.
This has been awesome practice.
God ain't letting you in that live account.
He will not allow it. No, do not
Hey
allow
y'all.
it.
So I'm on live with y'all, but I also got people in the Discord. I'm gonna tell Brittany Tell. And Brittany Tell was supposed to be practicing on this demo account for a week.
Listen. You want
I'm
me
airing
what?
you out. Shots
You want me
fired.
what?
Brrr.
What? One book
She was
that.
supposed to be practicing on that demo account for a week. She saw that market move. She said, let me put these on my live account. She couldn't find her login credentials.
Well, hey, it's enough energy to go around for everybody. So
She couldn't find nothing. Stick to
nothing,
the plan.
nothing. Okay, well,
God
I've already
said,
played.
not
I've already
today.
put them in, so I think I'm okay now. I'm decent.
Okay. Well, as long as you got that in, you good. We're gonna see how this thing play out.
Yes.
Right. They said you're protected. Let's go. You got protected.
Oh wow, that just boosted my little confidence.
That's all it take. Cause this ain't going nowhere. The
A
market ain't
whole
going
lot,
nowhere.
honestly.
Good.
Big God be knowing what he's doing all the time.
Oh, you definitely do. So I don't suggest doing demo accounts long because they create a false sense of security. Emotions are the biggest part of trading, so you should definitely experience them, even though it fluctuates. But you definitely need at least a week or two to master the art of entering in the trade,
Yeah, I do.
especially at a good pace. Like, so for instance, if this was a market execution order, you'd have been fucked.
Oh no,
Yeah, it'd have been gone.
and
Then
we
you would
don't
have
need
been
that.
seeing everybody making money. Then you're like, oh, what about me? So we definitely got to get that practice in. Oh God.
Not on
Even
God.
pound JPY. Damn, everything is just consolidating. Now we're actually waiting for a break above right here. We got price above all of our EMAs. And prices broke above the 200. And that area was played right there. Hmm. So we marked up these trades Sunday, and now these things are finally in place. We got a break above, but I really wanted to see a little more.
I would love to hang out a few more minutes, but I'm gonna leave this facility so I can get my mother home.
Okay.
When are we back on again? When is the next time?
The next time
Or is it
is,
Sunday when we're watching the
yep,
news?
Sunday. I'm finna get in this. Pound JPY. Yeah, Sunday when we're watching the news and identifying what we're gonna take throughout the week.
Okay, got you. I will have my pen and paper ready.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up because the longer I stay on with you, the more I'm about to grab my laptop again.
Right, and put in some more trades.
Thank you. Exactly. See, now I'm excited.
All right, so we just got in this pound JPY. Yeah, that's cool, B. You get
Okay,
mom
well, y'all
home
be
safe.
great.
We're
We'll do
always
it
gonna
again.
be here, and we'll see you
Uh,
soon.
All right, y'all take care.
All right, you as well. All right, so we just entered this trade, man. We're gonna see how this thing play out. We got these TPs set. That TP1 is a little off. Ooh, what the fuck is that? Oh, that is just too smooth. Okay, so as far as the trades, we got this Euro JPY buy. See how this thing plays out. We got this US 30 buy. Deep in profit on it. We got this Euro pound buy. I'm sorry, sell. And we're looking at a pullback on pound CAD, so we can catch an entry on the 15-minute. This will be it for us today, you guys. I appreciate all of you for hopping on. For those of you guys that want to trade, you don't know where to begin, you can head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. I'll walk you through setting up your demo account and your live account so you can trade with me live for free. We'll actually show you how to place the trades, monitor the trades, give you a complete trading plan, put you in the know. You also get the free trial to our Mindset Series, Structure Breaking. This is the key. You got to understand the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. And along with that, we have our 6-week journal to help you be more intentional with your words. You guys, after traders lose, they speak the worst shit possible to themselves, and it causes more problems than actually losing the trade. So this is something that we got to fix before you even start. We also have a few books available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results, and our log books to help you log your trades and your emotional state in the process so you can identify what's wrong so you'll know what to fix. We also have merch, and to join us, you can get that beginner bundle, upgrade to tier 2. I fucking love that rain. But remember, you guys, you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?